how to find address bar search settings on a Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find address bar search settings on Samsung internet browser. First then open the browser and now click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings and then scroll down until you find address bar search and click on it. And as you see here, you can manage it and you can add any search engine you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.